So I planted these pumpkin seeds back in middle of May, and now it's July. While checking the garden today, I got a nice surprise. I found two pumpkins growing on the vine. This little one just started developing, so I'll leave it on the plant to keep growing. But there's a medium sized pumpkin also. It just looks right. In my experience, pumpkins at this stage are the sweetest and most tender, so they are perfect for cooking. So we'll harvest this today. So I also made a bamboo fence. So the vines have climbed beautifully over this bamboo fence that I made myself. It's amazing to see how quickly pumpkins spread once they have something to support them. Growing them vertically not only saves space in the garden but also keeps the fruits cleaner and makes them much easier to spot and harvest. Seeing these healthy green vines covering the bamboo frame makes all the effort of building it worthwhile. These are leaves of bitter gourd, and let me show you sitafal. So we have grown pumpkin into our garden, and it's halfway around that. And let me show you. So can you see here? If you notice over here, this one, it's here. Let me just harvest it. So here are the little bees of my garden, and without them, it is very tough to grow plants or flowers. So weather in Himalayas is very uncertain, and you cannot determine how will it be in the morning and how it will be in the evening. So here you can see all clouds have just covered the mountains, and it will rain eventually in the night.